pero priceless yung natutunan nyo. Kaya maganda talaga na sa lahat ng pupuntahan nyo, open yourself for any learning. Kasi so long as we are living, we should continue on learning. Kasi if you stop learning, you also start lying. Wala ka na kwenta eh. Hindi, wala. Ayaw mo na nga matuto. Ayaw mo na mag-accept ng opinion ng iba. Ayaw mo na makinig. Wala. There's no learning at all.
Ngayon nga po ang graduation or closing ceremony ng ating Class D Masupil. At ang ating boss, si Police Colonel Tercio C. Escobar, ay nag-invite po ng ating guest of honor and speaker. At walang iba kundi si Police Colonel Bemily R. Madrid. Siya po ay former Chief STMD or Security Training Management Division ng SOSYA. And then ngayon po siya ay nakatalaga sa Vice Presidential Protection Division ng PSPG. Okay? So siya po ay si Police Colonel Bemily R. Madrid. So tunghayan po natin ang kanyang mga advice, kanyang mga sasabihin sa ating mga new graduates na Personal Security and Protection Course, ang Class D Masupil. Ito po siya.
Okay, good morning to everyone. Welcome to the opening and closing ceremony of our Personal Security and Protection Course, Class 27 or Class D Masupil. To our guest of honor and speaker this morning, Police Colonel Bemily Riveche Madrid, ma'am. And also, the President of Boston Security Training Center and the founder of Ocosinio, Police Colonel Tercio C. Escobar, sir, retired. We also have here Police Chief Master Sergeant Belhilda, ma'am. Good morning. And also the Course Director of our Personal Security and Protection Course, Mr. Harold Kibe. Once again, good morning, gentlemen.
Help us to come together to make this institution reflect your kingdom.
Upang ini ang duyan na ng mag-ibig sa manlulupi ang ikapasidad at ninignig ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may mag-ibig.
Meaning, you need also to study. You need to develop yourself. Eh, yung confidence level mo tataas yan kung alam mo kung sino ka at ano ka. Therefore, to answer for that kind of questions, you need to prepare yourself. Mag-aral ka rin na. Hindi pwedeng tsamba lang natin, no? So, pag may opportunity, prepare yourself so that once the opportunity comes in, you are ready to face whatever these challenges or these opportunities that may come into you. So, ganun din tayo as bodyguards. As our training here, you've been trained for almost a month na araw-araw marami kayong pinag-aralan about the duties and functions of being bodyguard. Not only the function, but as well as your character and your skill na in-impart sa inyo. These skills and knowledge that we have shared with you might not be sufficient for the time being, but it's your now obligations to develop yourself as well. Kaya ba?
Yes. Now we will proceed for the presentation of the graduates. As the training officer of Boston Security Training Center, sir, may I present to you the candidates who have attended the program of instruction in the Personal Security and Protection Course as prescribed in RA 11917 and its implementing rules and regulations as amended. Sir, it is my honor and great privilege to present to you the participants.
By the authority vested in me as the President of Boston Security Training Center, I hereby declare all of you today's graduates. Congratulations.
Ang isang task officer nyo, nagpapasalamat po ako. At dahil nagtiwala kayo sa akin, kung ano man yung ating mga pinaggagawa na sa training, at alam ko naman na lahat tayo ay masigasig at nakita ko rin na yung iisang layunin natin bilang isang protection agent, iisa lang din ang hangarin natin, yung magkaroon tayo ng isang magandang trabaho upang makatulong tayo ng higit sa ating mga pamilya. Kaya palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Maraming salamat.
To PA John Hacer R. Duque, PA Daniel J. B. De La Cruz, PA Kenneth B. Galstin, PA Rusty S. Abaydar, PA J.R. B. Pagbuhusan. For being a judge is the best team in the conduct of the bodyguard drill, vehicular counter-ambush drill, or four-man detail in the exercise of the Personal Security and Protection Force Batch 27, 2024, or Dimasupil, with LA number SOSHA STMD NCR PSPC 04-2024 B070. Given the 7th day of June 2024 at Boston Security Training Center. Certificate is awarded to PA Kenneth G. Galcin, PA John Jose R. Duque, PA John Daniel J. B. De La Cruz, for being a judge as the best team in the conduct of a live firing drill, contact right with a top recognition or two-man detail in the exercise of the Personal Security and Protection Force Batch 27, 2024. Is awarded to PA Joaquin P. Gabona, PA John Riel L. Temblor, for being a judge as the best performer in the conduct of the live firing drill walking formation, two-man detail in the exercise of the Personal Security and Protection Force Batch 27, 2024. S. Biren, for being a judge as number 3 in the conclusion of the Personal Security and Protection Force Batch 27, 2024, Dimasupil, given this 7th day of June 2024 at Boston Security Training Center. Of recognition is hereby awarded to PA Kimpi M. Villar, for being a judge as best in firing or top gun of the class in the conclusion of the Personal Security and Protection Force Batch 27, 2024, or Class Dimasupil. PA Criselio V. Tijo, for being a judge as number 2 in the conclusion of the Personal Security and Protection Force Batch 27, 2024. This certificate is awarded to PA Daniel J. B. De La Cruz, for being a judge as number 1 in the conclusion of the Personal Security and Protection Force Class 27, 2024. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to PA Joe Arth O. Fernandez in recognition of his exemplary performance in leading the Personal Security and Protection Force Batch 27, 2024 Dimasupil, composed of 60 members to attain its goals and objectives, fostering respect, cooperation, harmony, and teamwork during the conduct of the Personal Security and Protection Force held from May 4 to June 7, 2024 at Boston Security Training Center. May I call on the class president, PA Joe Arth Fernandez. PA Cristelio Tijo to receive class picture. From speaker this morning is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English, and also a graduate of the Philippine National Police Academy, Batch 1999. She was previously the chief of the Security Training Management Division of SOSHA, and now she was assigned as the chief of the Vice Presidential Protection Division of the Personal Security and Protection Group. Let us all welcome our guest of honor and speaker this morning. Let us give her a round of applause. Police Colonel Beverly Revechen.
All the way from Davao. Sino dyan ang taga Mindanao? Sa Visayas. O, the rest, Luzon na. So, dagan na yung makasabot kung mabisaya ko. Hindi makasabot. Okay, mas okay magbisaya kaysa mag-Tagalog. So, kita ko naman kanina yung president ng BASLA. He's speaking with English. Maka-ano rin tayo, mas okay na. Kasi panindigan ko rin yung sinabi ni Chief na major in English. So, yun ang maganda kasi you always consider yourself na ang learning doesn't measure according to your position, according to your rank. Yung stock knowledge na sinasabi, yung knowledge na sinasabi, nandyan yan sa'yo, hindi yan mababawi, hindi maaalis, hindi mananakaw. Kaya itong training nito, sabi ko nga lagi pag magti-training kayo, by heart, by mind, intindihin nyo. Dahil hindi yan mananakaw, inyo yan. Pero priceless yung natutunan nyo. Kaya maganda talaga na sa lahat ng pupuntahan nyo, open yourself for any learning. Kasi so long as we are living, we should continue on learning. Kasi if you stop learning, you also start lying. Baka na kwenta eh. Kasi wala. Ayaw mo na nga matuto. Ayaw mo na mag-accept ng opinion ng iba. Ayaw mo na makinig. Wala. There's no learning at...
Here is our President from Boston Security Training Center to award the Certificate of Appreciation to our guests of honor and speaker. The Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Police Colonel Femily R. Madrid, Chief Vice Presidential Protection Division, PSPG, in recognition of her invaluable service as a guest of honor and speaker during the closing ceremony of the Personal Security and Protection Course at Boston Security Training Center, Incorporated, Cubao, Quezon City, given the 7th day of June 2024 at Boston. Signed by our training director, Ms. Heidi M. Pangalayan.
Meron pa akong isang papadala yung picture with that.
Thank you very much again, Ma'am Madrid.